This video explains how to show NA values in a table object in the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this video I will show you an example, and this example is based on the vector object that we can create with line 2 of the code. So after running this line of code, you can see that a new data object called x is appearing at the top right. And if we print this vector object to the bottom in the RStudio console by running line 3 of the code, you can see that we have created a vector containing 8 different elements, and some of these elements are not available or NA. Now, if we want to show these values in a frequency table, then we usually would apply the table function, as you can see in line 5 of the code. And within the table function, we simply need to specify the name of our vector object. So in this case, our vector object is called x. So after running line 5 of the code, you can see that a frequency count table is shown at the bottom in the RStudio console. So as you can see, the letter A is appearing 3 times in our data, the character B is appearing 2 times in our data, and the character C is appearing only once. However, you can also see that this table is not showing the count of NA values. So if we want to show NA values in a frequency count table, then we can use the useNA argument within the table function, and we have to set this argument to be equal to the character string always. So if you run line 7 of the code, you can see that another output is returned. The first part of this output is showing the same values as our previously created table. However, this time we have added another column to the table, which is showing the count of NA values in our data. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.